Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and today we're gonna do some carbon wrapping. Yes, finally. I've been talking about this for ages and we're finally gonna do it. And what do we need? Well, first, the wrapping foley. I already had that lying around for ages. Some tools. Somewhere there's a knife. And we need a subject to wrap. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna wrap the A-pillars of the fort just to try them out. So first thing we have to do is get the garage door open and get the A-pillars off, or at least one. We're gonna do a test and then we'll see what happens. Wow, it's colder than you think. Well, we got the two parts off. Not a very difficult task, although I hope I get them back on. Because on one part a small piece broke, but I don't think it was very important. What is very important, if you take the wrapping material, that we make sure that all the pieces are in the same direction. And what I mean is that the structure of the carbon fiber is always pointing at the same point. Otherwise it's gonna look weird. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut some piece, then I'm gonna get my wife's hair. How do you call this in English? Conditioner? Nah, that's it, but you know, the heat gun. And then we're gonna start wrapping and see what happens. And I'm very curious if I can put it back on. So what we're gonna do, I've just taped it up because it's really round. The upper side of the A-pillar is straight, same as the other one. They sit together like this on the car. So if I keep the upper part straight, then in theory it will fit. So let's get started. And this is my first time, so don't kill me if I'm doing something very wrong. Help me out here. Well, number 1 is finished. I hope you can see what it came out to look like. Number 1. I like it. It's not an easy task. Indeed, yeah, it is easy. It's not hard, but you need to be concentrated and just trial and error, I believe. So with a snap of a finger, we have number 2 complete. And then we're gonna install them back on the car and see how it looks, and we can do the rest. Ta-da! Okay, there you have it, guys. 2 pieces and they look aligned. Looks good, I think. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna puzzle to get them back on the car. I'm not gonna bother you with filming that because you have seen how I get it out. If you want an explanation on how to get them out, especially for the Ford Focus, let me know, then I'll make a short of it. But for now, I'm gonna install these back and I'm gonna show you some pictures of the end result. Well guys, I'm pretty happy with the result. I'm gonna show you it live. This is what we have done. Looks much better than the black A-pillars. So what I'm gonna do, I have to think about time because my time is running out for today. But I'm gonna continue working on the carbon wrapping the A-pillars for the Ford. And after that, another time I'm gonna do the mirrors. And maybe in the future the roof. I think it would look sick. But that was it. Thank you for watching. See you again next time and a goodbye.